This video demonstrates how to add personal fields in your email signature template. Personal fields in email signature template. To make your signature template creation task simple, Sigsync provides a group of fields such as name, surname, title, company name, etc. as a single component named Personal Fields in the signature editor. You can drag and drop this component into your signature template and edit as per your requirement. Let's see the steps to add personal fields in your signature template. Select the table cell and choose the Personal AD field. By default, the predefined AD fields will be displayed. You can edit or remove AD fields from the list and also change their position. Let's remove these fields and prepare a new list. Select the field names. Select the layout as either multi-line or single line. Click the Apply button. Preview the changes in the signature preview area. Let's see how to display the personal fields in single line layout. Select the table cell and choose the Personal AD field. Let's keep the display name, job title, and company name fields in a single line layout. You can edit the line separator. Click the Apply button. Preview the changes. Try Sigsync for free today.